boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me no matter where you are in this world of ours. Thank you very, very much. It's an honor. It's a pleasure to be on your electronic device. As you know, on The Scoop, we're a show about education and entertainment purposes only. We're not stockbrokers. We're not money managers. We're not financial advisors. I have some good news for you tonight, and I want you to, well, good news is the company that we've been following, one of the companies we've been following, IGNG, Imaging3, has filed their 10K with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. So they followed through with that part of what they said they were going to do. They were going to meet the deadline, right? All 46 pages filed. It's up to us to make some sort of decision out of it of whether we want to pursue the company or not. Full disclosure, I'm not in right now, but of course I reserve the right to get in. If they do come up with a good deal and the deal is done here in the next few days or so, we'll take a look at it. But as you know, not a stockbroker, not a money manager. I'm a researcher. I do what they call research. I look at these companies, follow up on these companies. I write about these companies in my books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. Make money online with cannabis stocks. I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there you can use for the rest of your life. Promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments is out there. As you know, the FDA has approved a drug, and they've got more in the pipeline that they'll be approving. Those companies will do very well once the FDA gets that pipeline going. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. As you know, there's legalization going on all over the world as we speak. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world is out there. There's so much going on in this world, my friends. You need to educate yourself and find out what's really going on. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, Rich Mineral Soil Meets Wall Street. Thank you. If you've already purchased some of my books, you can go on there and give them a review if you want to. If you have a favorite stock you want to put out there, just, hey, I made money with this stock. I made money with that stock. Do your thing there. It all helps the cause. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, and we'll be happy to have you. You'll get all the updates. If you hit the bell, you get all the updates and everything. Imaging3, IGNG. File their 10K, right? 46 pages. Let me sum it up for you a little bit. Okay? They've been working on their intellectual property. Their smart scan is what they've spent their money on, what they've spent their stock options on, what they've spent basically their stock on, because they don't have a lot of money. So they've been, the payoffs have been in stock. So companies like this, they run the stock up. It's been a medical company. That's what it's, the intellectual property. That's what, 2017, they filed this bankruptcy, right? This Chapter 11 proceeding. It's been completed. It's been closed. But I think some of the remnants of that 1.4 million that we were blindsided with, I think that that was not disclosed to us until the last minute. That's kind of what got me and some of my subscribers kind of irritated with the company. And this was a 2017 judgment that we thought probably should have been disclosed to us early on with the deal. It should have been. It was something else that we had to do. But one of the things that they mentioned in there, they mentioned in the 10K, right, is there's millions and millions of warrants out there from 2022 to 2024. Now, I don't know how they're going to clean that up, but they're like from 0.0002 to like 20 cents or so. So those weren't. And the company expects to have, operating losses, of course, for the foreseeable future, really, is they continue at the same pace, if not greater. And there's no way of getting any income or anything. There's no completed deal yet. So it's really, Imaging3 is really, really a lottery ticket, and it's up and down, and we'll just see. We'll see. They say there's going to be a deal in a couple days. They said there was going to be a deal in a couple days a few weeks ago. They said there was going to be a deal, the deal is imminent, what have you. We're waiting for the deal. I'm waiting for the deal. I want to see how the deal. Is the deal going to be watered down so to where they don't even own a quarter of the company, or is there going to be so many shares out there that what can you do? A financing anybody dealing with money would look at it and say, hey, this is not making sense. I'm not going to lend you any money, even if you are a marijuana company. Some things have to add up. So my friends, the jury's still out, and we'll find out. I'm sure here in the next days. But I did want to give you a quick update. And also, I wanted to give you a quick update on, I think the president has that. We're looking good with the uranium. A couple companies, though. You've got some insider selling. A couple of our uranium companies. We'll talk about that at another time. Also, in addition to this, I'll be doing my 420 special here in a couple days. I'll be doing the 420 special. I have marijuana stocks in the 420 special that are much more mature than the stock we've been talking about here, that are much more advanced than the stock we've been talking about here, that have actual contracts. And we're still looking to, these RTOs are really, really, they can be really, really tough, but when it happens, it happens, I like the companies that rebrand themselves, and do, and already have everything taken care of, and they kind of rebrand. That's my own personal preference. RTOs are great also, but you have to wait until things are done. And I think we're kind of premature with this one. We jumped the gun a little bit. We don't even know how the deal is going to look. Let's see how this deal is going to look. Give it a chance, though. If you're already in it, there's really not much you can do other than sell at a loss. We don't want you to do that, so hold on to it and wait for the deal. Just be patient. Here in a few more days, pop up, you'll have a chance to get out, you'll have a chance to hold on. It could be a great deal. It could be a really, really good deal, depending on who's negotiating, depending on what's going on there. It could be a good deal. But anyway, I want to thank you again for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the bell. You can hit like. A lot of times guys tell me, Mickey, how do you tell people to hit like, hit the thumbs up and do all that stuff? I forget all that sometimes. I'm just trying to get the information to my subscribers, and I forget the YouTube etiquette. Hit subscribe, tell them to go ahead and hit the bell, and all those good things. So if I forget some of below in the description, you have book, all that kind of good stuff. I forget all that stuff. But anyway, I want you to have a great day and happy trading, and love you. Take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be good to your parents. Love you. Take care.